Hi everyone, welcome to Monitor Max channel where we discuss all things machine condition monitoring using the latest technology. Here we don't just provide technical insights, we also help you advance your career with industry-recognized certifications and practical skills that truly makes a difference. In this video we are presenting Oil Analysis Handbook from Spectro Scientific. This handbook covers a wide variety of topics ranging from specific oil analysis techniques to applications for oil analysis, to success stories of companies that use on-site oil analysis to lower costs and improve uptime. The applications for oil analysis range from mining and trucking to water treatment, service providers and industrial plants. Learn how to improve reliability while cutting maintenance costs and avoiding costly downtime. Their goal was to compile a comprehensive reference book of common in-service oil analysis techniques to help readers understand and choose the right technique and instrumentation for their needs. This guide describes the latest techniques for 1. Particle counting, classification and ferrous monitoring. 2. Measuring oil viscosity. 3. Analyzing oil for key parameters like TAN, TBN and oxidation. 4. Water contamination in oil, Carl Fisher replacement. 5. Elemental analysis using OES and XRF. 6. Fuel dilution. We are pleased to share the recent developments in this field and look forward to more progress in the future. If you need a copy of this book, please follow our Instagram channel at @MonitorMaxEngine and comment Handbook. A copy will be forwarded to your DM. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful videos on machine condition monitoring.